Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. In this video, we'll walk through our Advanced Hostel Management System for Odoo, a complete solution to manage hostel buildings, rooms, beds, students, staff, visitors, fees, services, and daily operations, all from a single, integrated platform. We'll start with the dashboard, then cover master data and daily operations, followed by services and operations like maintenance, complaints, mess, laundry, then fee management, inspections, reporting, and finally the configuration and help sections. From the top menu, we start with the dashboard. This is the live control center for hostel operations, showing occupancy, active students, vacant beds, revenue, visitors, maintenance, complaints, and laundry activity in one place. From here, users get instant KPIs and can jump straight into contracts, check-in, check-out, rooms, visitors, attendance, invoices, and complaints with just one click. Next, let's open master data. This section defines your hostel structure and core operational records. Buildings. Configure each hostel building, including capacity and key details. Units. Break buildings down into units or wings for more granular control. Rooms. Define every room with type, capacity, and status. Beds. Manage beds individually, so occupancy and availability are always accurate. Contracts. Store student contracts with dates, room/bed, and financial details. Check-in, check-out. Handle student arrivals and departures, including room status changes and notes. Visitors. Register visitors, control who enters, and keep a visit history. Student attendance. Track presence, late arrivals, and absences for hostel residents. Student documents. Store IDs and required documents with expiry tracking. Penalty types. Define types of penalties such as damage or violations, which can then be applied in operations and reporting. This menu is the backbone of the system. Once set up, the rest of the app can run smoothly on top of it. The automation menu focuses on saving time and reducing manual follow-up. Here you configure automated flows like birthday greetings and renewal reminders, ensuring students receive messages automatically and your team is alerted before contracts expire, without anyone needing to remember each date. Under Asset Management, we manage all physical assets that belong to the hostel. You can maintain assets such as beds, furniture, and equipment, and categorize them with asset categories for better tracking, budgeting, and maintenance planning. The communication menu centralizes announcements and mass messaging. Here we have Group Communication, a tool to broadcast messages to selected groups of students or staff. A notice board and announcements with categories, so important updates reach everyone via the portal and emails. The Maintenance menu is where day-to-day issues are tracked. Maintenance requests record problems reported by students or staff, like broken fixtures or housekeeping issues, and follow them through open, in progress, and completed stages. This keeps the hostel in good condition and gives management full visibility on pending work. Next is Complaints and Grievances. Complaints allows students to raise issues formally, sometimes even anonymously, and gives managers a structured way to track, prioritize, and resolve them. This improves transparency and student satisfaction with a clear record of how grievances are handled. The Mess/Food menu manages meal services. Mess and menus define what's served and at what price on each day. Meal bookings let students book their meals in advance, helping you manage capacity, reduce waste, and calculate charges accurately. Under Laundry, you control hostel laundry operations. Laundry requests capture student orders for wash, iron, or dry clean services, track status, and apply standard charges. This replaces manual laundry logs with a clean, traceable workflow. The Fee Management menu takes care of hostel billing. Rent invoices are created and tracked from here, integrating with Odoo Accounting to manage hostel fees, payments, and outstanding balances. Configure reminders and penalties ensure you collect dues on time with minimal manual follow-up. The Room Inspections menu helps maintain quality standards. Inspections allow you to schedule and record regular room checks, note damages or issues, and use this information later for charges or maintenance planning. This ensures rooms stay clean, safe, and well-maintained. Under Reports, managers and admins get hostel-wide visibility. You can use Generate Report to build customized hostel reports. Open students currently in-house to see who is currently staying in the hostel. Review damage charges and violation charges reports to analyze penalties, rule breaches, and related income. This menu turns your operational data into meaningful analytics. Finally, we have the Help menu. This provides in-app help and guidance for hostel users, making it easier for new staff or wardens to learn the system and find answers without leaving Odoo. Thank you for watching. For more information or to schedule a live demo, visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.